Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is not necessary. In this video, I am going to list the keywords in Python. Okay? Yeah, so first let me see the simple definition of keywords. Okay? So keywords are the reserved words which have predefined meaning and functionality. Yes, so keywords are the reserved words. So it has been reserved words in the Python which have predefined meaning. It has some particular meaning like predefined meaning and functionality. Like every keyword has its own functionality. Okay, this is nothing but a keyword. And one more thing I want to mention here, keywords are not used as a variables. Okay, now let's see what are the keywords are available in Python. Okay, yeah, so the first one is false, class, finally, is, return, none, continue, for, lambda, try, true, def, from, global, non-local, while, and, del, not, with, as, elif, if, or, yield, assert, else, import, pass, break, except, in, and rise. Okay, these are the keywords which are available in Python. Okay, so hope you guys are like seen all the keywords which are mentioned here. Okay, yeah, thank you.